If you are looking to enhance your content creation process and generate high quality material more efficiently, then watch this video till end. In this video, we will be diving into the world of AI and exploring 5 incredible AI writing tools that will revolutionize the way you create content. Whether you are a blogger, copywriter, or aspiring author, these AI-powered tools will assist you in generating captivating and engaging content that will leave your readers craving for more. Our first tool on the list is the IdeaNotDotio for topic generation. Say goodbye to those moments of starting blankly at your screen, unsure of what to write about. With this AI-powered tool, you can effortlessly generate a plethora of intriguing topics tailored to your niche or area of interest. Simply input a few keywords or theme and watch as the AI generates an abundance of creative and compelling topic suggestions. This tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to overcoming writer's block and kickstarting your content creation process. The second tool on our list is Rewriter.ai. If you have ever struggled with finding the right words or conveying your ideas in a fresh and engaging manner, this AI tool will be your new best friend. This tool uses advanced algorithms to analyze your existing content and suggest alternative wordings, sentence structures, and phrasings. It helps you add a touch of uniqueness to your writing, ensuring that your content stands out from the crowd and captivates your audience. Next up, we have the Killbot for language translation. In today's interconnected world, expanding your reach beyond your native language is crucial. This AI tool makes translation a breeze, allowing you to effortlessly convert your content into multiple languages. Simply input your text, select the desired target language, and the AI translator will provide you with a translated version that retains the essence and meaning of your original content. It's an invaluable tool for reaching a global audience and broadening your horizons as a writer. The fourth AI tool is SEO Optimer for SEO content analysis. Creating content that ranks well in search engine results is essential for driving organic traffic to your website or blog. This AI tool analyzes your content, identifies keywords, and provides valuable insights on how to optimize your writing for search engines. It helps you fine-tune your content, improve your rankings, and attract more readers who are actively searching for the information you provide. Last but certainly not least, we have the Ryrop.com for blog post planning. Planning and organizing your content is key to maintaining consistency and ensuring that your ideas flow seamlessly. With this AI-powered tool, you can create a structured outline for your blog posts, including headings, subheadings, and bullet points. It keeps you organized and focused, enabling you to craft well-structured and engaging articles that resonate with your readers. So these are the 5 incredible AI writing tools to supercharge your content creation process and take your writing to the next level. The power of AI is truly remarkable, and these tools are here to assist and inspire you on your writing journey. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.